All right, well, here is a platinum build that's gonna happen. This is for a customer, and we are doing T2234. It's an AJ case, dual relief. It was line board at 20, opened up for 84s. Stroker and 94 pistons, and everything was full flowed, and also all the oil galleys were opened up. All right, so let's go through this engine, starting with all the wonderful little things. I won't bore you to death by explaining every little thing, but as you'll see, got some pretty cool items in here. The coolest item of them all, Ron Loomis Racing. It's not a Rev 6, it's a Street 6. By the time you pay shipping, it's about $2,000. This thing is going to be epic. As you can see, we have all the Schmidt cam bearings and rod bearings, and then we have the Silverline main bearings. And we have some AA Performance 502 heads. Old school sump. I was going to use it on a turbo motor. 1.4 ratio rockers, MP covers, and case is cut for 94s, but what we have here is this is thick wall. Look at that. So it's 92 thick wall, B pistons, angle, FK44, coated lifters with the EDM hole, scat, a lot of scat stuff in here. And this is some of the secret sauce here. So it's a scat 84 millimeter crank, scat H rods, ARP bolts, CB Performance ignition system. So let's go over here. For the carburetors, we got a little vintage speed linkage system, supposedly the best in the industry, as everyone says. Got some 44 carbs. Haven't been finished port and polished yet to match the heads. A little secret thing going in that the customer doesn't know about yet. We won't talk to him about that till it's done. Latest Rage aluminum covers, K&N air filters, scat serpentine, IAP alternator, scat welded and balanced fan. And this, he has a Super Beetle, the customer, so this is going to be his mid-mount over nose cone, urethane. And we went with all the scat 9-piece cooling and a couple more pieces, and the air breather system. So there you go. Almost 3 hours to take everything out of the boxes and all the bags and lay it all out. A couple other little things. These are the CB Performance. So it's made for ratio rockers, stainless steel. So this should be 9-to-1 compression, 2234. I don't think you can say torque any better. He's getting you a 388 ring and pinion with a .82 fourth. So with his tires, you know, maybe, 185 to 225s he could do in fourth gear. He could do at 3,000 RPMs between 68 miles per hour to 80 miles per hour, depending on the rear tires. But this thing will pull it. There you go. The good stuff. Boom.